Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Copycat Starbucks cheese Danish. The ingredients that we're going to need today is 1 roll of puff pastry, 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The first thing we're going to do is get a bowl. We're going to add in our cream cheese, our vanilla extract, our sugar, and our salt. Next, we're going to take a hand mixer and we're going to blend it until it's nice and smooth. Once your cream cheese mixture is nice and smooth, we're going to get a piping bag and we're going to fill it up. All you want to do is put your piping bag inside of a cup and begin to fill it up. Once your piping bag is filled, we're just going to cut like 2 centimeters up from the tip. Okay guys, you can set your oven to 400 degrees. Now we're going to open our puff pastry. Once you have your puff pastry open, we're just going to cut down as even as we can. A straight line right here. We're going to come right over here and across. Okay guys, I had went in and cut alongside of each of my puff pastry to try to make them nice and straight and even. So now all you want to do is take a sharp knife and all we're going to do is go on the inside. Don't cut all the way through. We're just going to score a small rectangle in the center of each puff pastry. Remember, do not cut through it. Okay guys, once you're done, you want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper and we're going to transfer our puff pastry onto the baking sheet. Once your puff pastries are onto your baking sheet, all we're going to do now is pipe our cream cheese filling right in the center of the rectangle. You're going to do that for each one. Okay guys, now all you want to do is just smooth out on the side of your cream cheese mixture and just make it even. Now for your egg wash, you're going to put your egg in a bowl. You're going to add your tablespoon of water and we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Now you just want to brush on your egg wash around the edges of the puff pastry. Once you're done, we're going to place them into the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 16 minutes. Okay guys, our Danishes are out the oven. Look how beautiful they are. So I'm going to let them cool off for a little bit before I transfer them onto a wire rack. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Copycat Starbucks cheese Danish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.